What's up, YouTube? I'm Christina.
And I'm Jasmine.
And for our first video, we're going to do the blindfold taste test challenge. So let's get right into the video.
Are my boobies out? No. Okay, we're ready. First one? 1, 2, or 3? Y'all pick it.
1. We're going to do number 1.
Is it a cup or a bowl?
It's a bowl.
You don't have to like swallow it, you can just taste it.
It's food?
Yes.
It feels like cereal. I think it's Cocoa Pebbles.
Eat all of it. Put it all in your mouth.
No. Don't guess yet.
I know what it is.
What is it?
Don't guess yet. Wait, where is it?
Wait, you got multiple stuff in here?
Yeah.
Don't guess yet. Don't guess it yet. Give me, where is it? What the fuck kind of bowl is this? These mini Chinas? Bitch. I already know. If you make me eat some disgusting ass shit, alright, I'm gonna taste this first little one. I think we're both going and this time. Why you guys chewing on this shit?
Do it. Oh my
Are we gonna
gosh.
say this at the same time? Because we
Okay.
both know. Cocoa Pebbles.
Cocoa Krispies.
No, it's
Cocoa Krispies.
Yeah, and dog
and
food.
dog food.
Dry dog food.
Yeah.
2 or 3?
3.
Okay.
No, 2.
Please don't spit in it, because I have to drink it
Okay.
after you.
Alright, extend straight.
Don't
Is there a
spit
spoon?
either. Don't
No,
spit.
you gotta sip.
Sip. Yeah,
Why?
don't spit. Don't spit.
I'm not gonna fucking.
Don't fucking spit.
I already know what one is. I need to smell it.
Can you smell it?
Yep, I can smell it. Is this more than one ingredient?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm scared. I know what it is.
Pass it on.
I gotta sip it.
Oh my gosh, I just got shit.
It's a bowl.
Mm-hmm.
What is this? The olden days?
Oh, ew. It's such an aftertaste. How many ingredients are in here?
Ugh.
5.
5? I can only taste 2.
5.
I don't like this.
Alright. Are you gonna guess it? Or-
Yeah. Can I guess first? I'm gonna guess first. One of them is definitely gotta be vinegar.
Ketchup?
No.
Vinegar.
No ketchup?
No vinegar?
No.
Ketchup?
Neither of us?
No.
What's the tomato sauce? The
It's
spaghetti sauce or whatever that shit
No.
is. What the fuck is it?
it's salsa.
Salsa? Just salsa?
No.
Spicy?
Keep going. It's salsa.
Okay, one is salsa. Alright, I gotta guess all mine first, okay? Where's the bowl at? Did you spit in it?
No, I didn't. I
spit.
No,
licked
she
it.
didn't.
Stick your tongue out and lick it.
No, I'm gonna dip it.
There, I don't want that. There's a chunk of there.
Hold on.
Is there mustard?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 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 Buffalo sauce?
No.
Okay.
Mayonnaise?
Yep.
So I don't get a point. You better hold your fingers up because I got the 3. You guessed 1.
Wait, what were the other 2?
We both get salsa because
So,
she told us.
Coat of
I need.
mayonnaise, the Goya sauce, mustard.
Okay, so
There's one more.
Is it liquid?
Yes.
Sour
Syrup.
cream?
No, there's 2 more.
no, there's one more, Malia.
No, there's 6.
Oh, you.
I forgot one.
They're all refrigerator ingredients.
Yes.
Zesty?
No.
Ketchup,
Butter?
butter.
No.
Is it liquid, right?
Yes.
My salsa from La Tapatia.
Nope.
Her salsa.
Barbecue sauce?
Yes.
Oh shit, bitch.
One more.
Barbecue.
Did you feel like an actual liquid drink?
No.
Jelly?
Mm-mm.
Did you put cheese in it?
No. Y'all give up?
No.
No.
We're gonna guess this. Ranch.
Yep. There you go.
I
who
win,
won?
bitch.
Y'all ready? Okay, wait.
I can only imagine.
Don't say
it.
anything.
She giving it to me?
Yes, grab it, Jazz. Touch her arm.
Don't let go of it yet.
Did you swallow?
It's disgusting, babe. I don't smell nothing.
Did you brew this?
Ew, it gets spit off the edge of this.
Ugh.
Honey. Is it a nasty ingredient?
Mhm.
Salt?
No.
Sazon.
Try again.
Is it
Is it a salt?
No.
Like a...
a seasoning or a liquid?
I guess you could say a liquid.
Lime?
No. Try it again. Tell me what y'all taste.
slime.
Right. Give it to her.
I'm pretty much just tasting honey.
Really.
I
ain't
tasted tea.
It's honey. There's no tea.
tried.
Come on, let me
I don't
taste
know.
it.
That
Give
don't
me.
taste right.
Wait, give me. Don't guess yet. I need to.
Honey and... Is it come from the cabinet?
No.
Refrigerator?
Yes.
Is it water?
No.
Juice?
No.
Soda?
Mm-mm.
Milk?
Mm-mm.
Is it savory or sweet?
This is a fucking bugger.
Is it any of the previous ingredients you
Yeah.
used?
No.
Take that.
I don't want this again. I felt something come off my tongue like, ooh.
That's a bugger in my mouth.
I
No?
can't do it.
Alright, hold on.
Honey and...
I'm really trying to like scan the refrigerator in my head. Syrup?
No.
Egg?
Yes.
Oh,
I should have fucking said
Yes!
it was a booger.
She
Ew.
win.
I win.
Take it off, Jess.
I take it off?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're fucked.
I socially guess after I taste that booger shit.
So I'm the winner. Now I'm gonna get my revenge on her since she lost. She thought she was gonna win, but...
Listen, I'm gonna swallow the damn thing.
Okay, so we're gonna make her taste my concoction. So I'm gonna be right back.
Wait, I gotta hear. Okay.
I spilled it. Okay, so she's gonna try my ingredients.
It's cold. Ew. Disgusting. No.
You lost.
Did
No,
you
I
put-
did not put seasoning in it. It's 2 liquid forms. Well, kinda. The second one is a booze.
I'm gonna throw up a little bit.
You're not gonna throw up.
You're a fucking bitch. You're really a cunt. You are a cunt fucking bag. Because that hit my lip quick as shit. What is your
It's
fucking
2
hot
ingredients.
sauce? It's your hot sauce.
What's the other one?
I don't even want to try
Just
it.
dip your tongue in so you can feel what it is.
It's probably just the hot sauce.
No, it's not.
It's so hot. Oh my god. Hot. Oh my god. Oh my god, hot.
Swallow it.
The ginger
I'm
ale.
drooling. Mm-mm.
Ew.
That was just... how can you eat? My tongue is on fire. What else was that?
Sauerkraut.
No. Oh my god. My tongue literally is on fire right now. It's like stinging.
But that was our video for today. Stay tuned for new videos. We're gonna come at you with more, so.
Peace.